Bum, ba, da, da, da. Money is available. State training. Yes, yes. Ali Creech. State training. So humble. Okay. Yeah, I know. So humble. I'm afraid I need to be honest and straightforward. Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Mr. Peter. What's cooking? Nothing is cooking, man. Today we're gonna do it slightly different. We're gonna go straight to the day trading, and then in between, I'll flip to the swing position and speak about fundamentals. But welcome. I truly appreciate all of you for joining me. If you are on TikTok, please jump on YouTube. Click the link in the bio or search Le Agora Fumo. And let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. I love you all. We will do this, I know. And welcome. Let's start. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. It's a Friday, so we need to preserve our capital. Remember what I said? Friday is capital preservation day. Before we go to the analysis, let me set up a YouTube poll. Let me set up a YouTube poll. I hope I'm audible on YouTube. Am I audible? Okay, let's see. Should be good. Okay. What's your bias? If you're on TikTok, what's your bias? Do, 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 da, da, dum, dum. Okay, just quickly gonna set up this. Start, start toggle. Quickly setting up a poll. Gizubanani. But how's been your trading week, man? Come through. How's been your trading week? Uh, before the end of before the end of the I think maybe by the end of the month we might see new highs. Okay. So let's get into the poll as well. Am I not audible? Am I I should be audible. Let me check it myself. I should be audible. Am I audible? Okay, am I audible? I think I am. I can get it going. Um, am I cool, Peter? Okay, that's good. TikTok, are we good? TikToks look good. If TikTok continue costing my life, I will end it. Okay, I should be cool, Mr. Peter. Am I audible though? Okay, let's get into it, man. We'll, we'll do it slightly different. We're gonna day trade and in between jump on my swing positions while waiting for the trade. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, it's a Friday, guys. So today's been a very quite a day, man. We've been today. We had what do you call this? Let me see something. I just want to see something. I think I am gonna end one. I'm gonna end the TikTok stream. It's not helping. Yep, I'm gonna end the TikTok stream. Can't work like that. So if you're on TikTok, I'm gonna end the stream. It's quite extremely slow on my computer. But if you wanna join properly, I think YouTube is the right place for you. Just gonna end this. TikTok, please join me on YouTube. It's not helping. And there we go. Okay, let's do it. Not interested in this nonsense. Okay. Okay. Um, so day trading, we have not taken yesterday's high, neither have we taken yesterday's low. So it's more like an inside day, but there is this daily fair value gap here that could be a draw of liquidity. And just to tell you, I could take a buy if we push all the way back there in terms of my fundamental stop loss below, looking for a reversal. But that's long term. But now let's do the day trading, man. I came back late. I can't do that. Yeah, but So anyway, I will explain a lot, guys, but let me just get into it. Previous daily high, previous daily low. We had an inside day. We could be coming to this fair value for this daily fair value gap before we push back to the upside. So myself, if I can get that move, then I can look for long, but that's long term. But for today, we haven't yesterday's high. We have not been. We have not taken yesterday's high. I have not taken yesterday's low. For our time frame, I am bearish this PM session. High possibility of being bearish. Uh, inside here. Also, this is Nasdaq. There is a 4-hour fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap. I hope the move is not gone. There is this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, yeah. Come on. So we are at this 4-hour fair value gap, yeah, which is beautiful. I love how it's looking like. Let me see with S&P 500. So, but there is this SMT, yeah. Higher time frame SMT. Bulls are still, I think, I personally believe bulls are still there. But for the PM session, let's see. Let's see, man. As you jump in, please just react to the live, take the poll, and like the live as well. So there is an SMT, obviously. Previous daily door, so we are at that range. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Also, there is a 1 hour fair value gap there, for which that says I should be. Okay. Fair value gap. Let's see. We are inside the 15-minute fair value gap. I am bearish, gentlemen. So there is a 15-minute fair value gap inside there. Oh God, I hope it's not gone. There is a 15-minute fair value gap. I am gonna remove this drawing so at least it's clear there is a 15-minute fair value gap here. And I think that's where my rejection will be to look for shorts. Already we have seen a bit of rejection already. So that confirms my short. I am bearish. Also, yeah, I am bearish. I think I'm convinced that I'm bearish for the PM session. But let's see, man. Okay. Reacting at this 15 minutes fair value gap. We've taken London's high, continued after taking London high. Now we have just taken Asia high. So we could reverse after taking Asia high. We could reverse lower, coming back to Asia low. That's another thing that is happening. I could come back to Asia low as well. Yeah, I could come back to Asia low. Let's see. Let's see if this Friday I can get a trade. Oh, beautiful move, right? Okay, interesting. 5 minutes fair value gap held, very nice. So the 5 minutes fair value gap held, and we pushed lower. We just opened the PM session now. Are we gonna get a continuation lower? What is it gonna do? That's a good question that I have. Yeah. I love the interaction in the comment section. I will get into it. Let me just quickly finish my analysis, guys, for the day trading. Then we can engage, brothers. I am neutral for now. Okay. So there is this, look like there is an SMT here, hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah, there is an SMT here. Yep, there is an SMT. I am bearish, guys. Peter, you can jump on with me, but remember, this is not financial advice. It will be your own doing. You know what? Let me do this. Let me just wait up and see what's gonna happen. I am bearish so far. I love what you say. Anyway, man, I love Peter. Let's wait and see, man. I've not decided my bias right now, but I am bearish. I am bearish. Um, I'm looking for US30 bulls. Yeah, I am, man. Don't forget to like the live, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen tonight. I wanna talk about feelings tonight. Okay, guys. So before we go to the other things, um, perhaps tonight, if I get something like this, I will try to enter shorts. But for now, I'm just waiting. Okay. But while at it, let's speak about what you guys have been speaking about gold bullishness. There is a video that I made today. You can also go watch that. But let's speak about gold bullishness, man. Okay, gold. Um, here's a trade I have on gold. Here's a trade I have on gold. Let me quickly confirm something. Beautiful trade, man. Can I have some W's at least? And I think I did speak about this on Tuesday. Just check Tuesday video of the move that I'm looking for. And I also explained the fundamentals behind why I'm taking this trade. Beautiful move, man. Beautiful move, man. Also yesterday, and there is a video that I posted, so you can get into that video as well. So, gold bulls broken above, trail stop loss to profit somewhere there. So on a retracement, I hope that will reject and push back. Stop loss will be somewhere there. What the hell happened? Something happened, yeah. What the hell? Okay. Oh, shucks. What happened? Anyway, Peter W's, man. Let's go. Let's quickly do it. We can so that we can also observe what happened here. Something happened. I don't know what happened, but something odd happened. But anyway, so gold bulls. Ah, come on. Okay, gold still holding this bulls. I'm hoping that will retest there. We still continue to the upside. There's something weird happening here. And then when I bought it, the reason being is let's get into the fundamentals, guys. You know me and fundamentals. The reason why I bought gold. Number one, let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. So number one, if we were to look at my fundamental spreadsheet or the H finder that I use, so gold is giving a plus six, and a plus six is bullish in terms of fundamental. You look at CO2, I've spoken about CO2 a billion times, COT data. So institutions are buying gold. We'll get into that. Retail sales is negative because I think the US has been doing uh, extremely bad in that sense as well in terms of retail sales. We have seasonality. We know that gold at this time is bullish. Trend is bullish as well. GDP data came out a bit strong. That was very bearish for came out very strong. That was bearish for. We know that as the dollar gains strength, we lose a bit of volatility in gold, and then you have your retail sales PMI. But if we were to look at the inflation data, and in the inflation data, I'm going to purely focus on CPI for now. You look at CPI, the CPI data came out this week. The forecast was 2.5, but we got cooler CPI, which was 2.4. That was a 2.4 reading. This was the forecast. The red one represents the forecast. The forecast was higher, but we got a cooler reading. That indication that slower CPI, lower inflation data. I speak about CPI. Look at PPI as well. This week came out cooler. That indicates that there is slower inflation data. Comparing PPI, CPI, lower cooling or lower ones truly indicates cooling in the inflation data. And very important, I love looking at unemployment claims and unemployment data. Look at other unemployment claims for this week. Unemployment claims came out 248, forecast was 242. That alone also indicated that there is a slight problem, even though it's stable, but more people are being unemployed. That forces the Feds to increase interest rate, and you know where our interest rate is. So the Feds might decrease interest rate, I suppose, sorry, because we have lower CPI or inflation data, unemployment claims came out beat expectation, which indicate more people are unemployed right now, or they have applied, they've put up that they lost their jobs. NFP data as well came out very cool. The focus was 126. We got a 139, which is very good. That indicated and saved the day. So in NFP saved the day because if we got like 100 or we get lower than the expectations, trust me, the market was gonna dip, saying there is lower CPI or lower inflation, and the employment data is extremely bad. Recession is coming. They were gonna dump all the risk on asset. That would be good for gold as well. That would be good for gold, but normal when that happens, gold will sell before it buys. But in that sense, this one, NFP saved the day. Jobs opening came out well as well, did save the day slightly. Also, forecast was 739, but guess what? 711, meaning now focus was 711, we got 739. Jobs opening is good. There's more jobs opening out there, which indicates that it saved the day in terms of recession story, and that kept gold slightly good. But what propelled the move? Unemployment claims. Unemployment claims, definitely. Inflation story is lower. Unemployment claims, more people are buying their job. And remember, cooler inflation data. go to inflation just quickly. Um, I always say this: target for the Feds, target inflation rate for the Fed is 2.2%. Now we are 0.4% higher than 0.4% higher than the target. We don't want inflation to be lower than that. We want to keep it at 2% or more. But that when you put inflation, you have to put up also jobs data, you have to put up other ones, retail sales and all other data to bring up together. But in this instance, this has pushed the market lower in terms of the dollar currency, and that pushes gold higher because we are expecting rate cuts this year because of the data that I just showed to you, and lower the dollar. Gold tends to benefit sometimes. Geopolitics is there, but for now, I didn't really focus on geopolitics. And also, if we were to look at the dollar index, just gonna, where's Forex? If we were to look at the dollar index, I'm gonna use the DXY. Where is it? Where is it? DXY. The dollar index. I hope I'm opening the right one. Yeah. So when you look at the dollar index, we've finally broken this resistant area. We definitely broke through today. A lot happened. What happened? Let's see. All prices move the market. Uh, so that this is what happened. So now the nowcast estimates US third quarter GDP growth rate at 2.5% from 2.4. That made the dollar to gain strength that focused. Hence we see just after we broke above and we are losing all the strength again. But anyway, what I was trying to say is expectation of inflation has pushed the dollar lower and has propelled gold higher. I hope I make sense. I hope I make sense. I hope I mumbled and made sense. I hope I made sense, man. Let's see. I hope I made sense. So that is why I'm still holding gold. Did anyone make sense? Did I bore you? Oh, shucks, my trade. Oh, shucks. Here's my trade, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, here's my trade. Shucks. Just, I'm waiting for, oh, come on. I'm waiting for this 1 minute closure. Okay, let me set up this now. Oh no, just dipped inside. I hope I'll be able to enter the trade. That was extremely fast. Okay, I'm in, guys. Just setting up my stuff, man. See. Okay, not always, man. No, sometimes the geopolitics, yes, but sometimes the geopolitics is a bit stable. Oh, shucks, I'm on a trade. Ah, forgot to show you I'm on a trade. Just got a fill slightly there. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, let me set it up. Sorry, guys, I'm just setting up this now. Uh, I'm on in this trade. Come in this trade. I am gonna watch this area here. Just gonna watch what happens within that area before I decide anything else. Did anyone jump on as well? Let's see the 3 minutes how it's looking like. Okay, we could have possibility of coming back to this 3 minutes, yeah. Yeah, there is that possibility of coming back up. So I am not gonna move my stop losses yet. So there is possibility 3 minutes closure, we could come back to that 3 minutes fair value gap again. So I am not gonna just yeah, I'm just gonna be watching these areas now. Did anyone jump on this trade though? Just watching this area. If we break below, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. So did anyone jump on this trade? Peter, did you manage to jump on? Let's see that. Let's see, man. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. 4 people voted. 75% they said they have taken some losses. And about 20, I mean, yeah, 25, they are good. I hope you didn't get a bad feel, man. Peter, did you get a good feel though? That's a very critical area, man. Also, this one here, there is a 1 minute for value gap here as well. So these are the very, very, annoying annoying areas. There's fair value gap here. Seems like as a breaker. So I will see if we start rejecting more here. If we start forming things like this, I might cut it short, okay? I might cut it short. And also going for the top of the hour. So that's another problem. So those are things that we need to consider now. And I might also call it off on the 1:2. So you see where it is? It is rejecting because we have a 1 minute fair value gap there. And if we start rejecting more, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Or rather look for re-entry than taking a loss. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna say that's 5 minutes closure. Yeah, I'm in a very odd place. There is a 5 minutes fair value gap also, yeah. Very weird area to be in. Um, Now we have decisions to make, man. Okay, stop loss at if we close like that, stop loss will be at break even or lower my entry to somewhere there, just above that area. And my problem is this 5 minutes for value gap here and 3 minutes for value gap. We could get back and reject. Just lower my risk a bit. But let's see. The next 5 minutes, the next 2 minutes will tell me where I'm going. 217 21722 217 come on 21722 uh no, doesn't make sense in terms of what broker do you use if you don't mind me saying? Okay, 2 minutes before the 5 minutes closure. Are you short or long on US30 Broadway? Okay, 1 minute before the 5 minutes closure, 15 minutes. Oh, beautiful move, man. Is it a short term or long term trade? 1 minute closure. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Remember, I sometimes, oh, 1:2. I'm gonna move my, oh, shucks. I'm losing a lot of ground. Wow. Stop loss at break even. It gave me 1:2. I decided not to close. Um, Stop loss at break even. I wanted to close it on a 1:2, but it's fine. Let's see what we see here. By the way, my take profit is here. Stop loss at break even, by the way. Let's see. If you want to hold trade longer, you could hold this trade until this low. Let's see. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. Are we holding all the way through to take profit? It might reject, ladies. We might reject there. But my confidence here with this trade is, let me remove this here. So we talk something that we see is this fair value gap here with a breaker. Might come, might come reject and come lower. So I'm gonna hold my guts for the first time ever. It did give me 1:2 already, but let's see. Yep, 1:2 was here. So we'll decide if it comes back here and we see some shenanigans, we are closing it off. Are you still holding your trade, man? Okay. Now, this is another problem. 1 minute fair value gap here. Are we gonna come back lower? Let's see. We do have a possibility of not getting back there, guys. Trust me. Yeah, 5 minutes. We are failing to get this 5 minutes inversion. Could be coming back for this retest and roll over, but I'm gonna hold my guts right now. I don't like holding my guts after the market has given me a 1:2. I have bad experiences. Do you think though it's gonna reverse? Do you think it's gonna reverse though? Yep. Add that breaker. And normally someone else will say, why don't you enter another trade, stop loss about below there, still target that. But hey man, it's a Friday, rather take a break even and a total loss. Do not forget to like and subscribe, guys, please. We still have time before 9 o'clock. Peter, are you still here, man? I love the rejection at that 1 minute fair value gap. Just my remote, guys. See. Come back here, I might close it off. Or we come back here and move my stop loss very tight. And also, if you wanted to take partials, you can take partials here. Come on, man. That 1 minute breaker, 1 minute for value gap, it's a problem. Come on, let's get over it, man. See, how did this 3 minutes close? We look like we are, oh shucks, we're at the 3 minutes breaker, 3 minute, uh, 3 minute fair value gap. I might close this trade. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. 3 minutes. Just gonna wait for this 2 minutes and decide what to do because I just wanted this fair value gap to hold here. That fair value gap higher held, but it looks like this one is it doesn't want to hold. So you see where my problem is. We are inside a 3 minutes fair value gap. Tell me, guys, are we holding it throughout until take profit? Or we gonna call it a day early because 1 minute fair value gap. There's also a 3 minute fair value gap. And to be fair, your stop loss can be above here just to take a bit of profit. I'm just waiting for this 5 minutes to close to close in the next hour. If it closes, my stop loss will be just be above here. Don't expect it to come back all the way up. It could, but okay, 5 minutes closure. How did we see it close? Okay, I'm gonna secure more profit, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop loss to here. Okay, 1:1 is secured. Gonna hold until take profit. And weirdly, we might get to that 1:1 because there is a fair value gap, but I'm fine taking a 1:1 for today. Okay, good move. Why not close, man? Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah. Okay. I took a 1:2. Okay. That are some W. I deserve some W's for the day, ladies and gentlemen. Let's call it a day. W's in the chat. W's. Well done, guys. Oh, just hit off. Oh, okay. It will come to our take profit. But yeah, I've taken it. Hit some W's, guys, please, in the chat. Come on, man. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. It's coming straight to our take profit. We have left a bit of profit in the room, but you gotta choose sometimes, man. Take profit hit. Full take profit now. Yep. Can I have some W's, man? We just took profit there. 1:2. Let's see something. Let's see how much money we left on the table. Quite a lot. Okay. Can I have some W's, Peter? W's, Peter. Come on, brother. W, brother. Come on, man. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. For the day. Also for you, Peter. You got it, man. Here we go, baby. I'm calling it a night, Ellie. It's a Friday. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, man. Come on, baby. It's a Friday. Why not calling it an early day, man? That's not fast food money, brother. It's investments. It's investment, brother. By the way, I took a loss. Let me just quickly check here. I took a break even yesterday. On Monday, I took a loss. Yeah, a very bad one. So it's more like a break even day for me for this week. It's a beautiful day. Tired, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, yeah, it's a break even way. I'm the big, I'm the big bank, man. No, man. Just invest time in learning and understanding the market structure. I guess. I guess that's what I do. And people will call this a sniper trader. Look at that. Look at that end. Just in and out. The problem was here. But we do it, man. But while at it, um, I just wanted to show you and I'm gonna call it a day now, man. Uh, GDL. I bought a GDL trade. Is it GDL or GLD? GLD. Gold ETFs. Where is it? Remember a trade I told you about? This is gold, baby. This is so this is an ETF. It tracks gold movement. And look at this trade, baby. All right, well done, guys. But quick update before we call it a day, man. Remember on the long-term trades that I held, we've been taken out. Okay, one, we are out here, man. Don't look at it. We've been taken out, and looks like we are getting that reversal. So our stop loss was just below there. Okay, let me do this. Let me log in so that we can trace the trade. Let me log in. Oh, this thing is tanking, man. Let's see, too much like history. I wanna see something. Um, yeah, man, but there is rough days, brother. There is definitely rough days. You know what? Anyway, we've been taken out just below there. GU, it played shenanigans with me. We have been taken out there. So we have taken a good few profits. We've been taken out there. Unfortunately, Bitcoin, we have taken a loss on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have taken a loss. So these are my single positions. But on the day trading side, oh, coming for my target for the day. Wow. Okay, I've jumped on early. Look at that. Yeah. This will be, remember these targets, first, second, third. Yeah, almost all hit, but we took our profit there. So, should I do a trade recap? Should we do a trade recap? Okay, let's quickly do a trade recap. Then I'm calling it a week, man. It's been a horrible week. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's do it. Oh, I didn't see this low. Okay, we came to a daily. Here's an idea. We open the daily time frame. There is an SMT lower, but never mind that. Previous daily high, previous daily low. We are inside the previous daily high and low. We are inside the range. Thank you, Peter, and thank you for catching it with me, brother. Love you, man. Love you every time. Love you all time. Please click the like and the subscribe button, and also do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell, man. But let's get into it, man. I need to call it a day early. I got sleep early today. Anyway, we came inside previous daily high, previous daily low, and my drop liquidity was this also, this daily fair value gap. Today's price action was clean. Uh, Look at the 4 hour time frame. We are inside a 4 hour fair value gap after this break of structure. Retested that. I was like, okay, this looks bearish. Came back again. Inside the 1 hour fair value gap, also 15 minutes time frame, clearly see 15 inside the 15 minutes fair value gap, we push lower. I was looking for an entry here. Look at that. Above here, we saw when it broke, it left this five minutes fair value gap, good reaction on that 5 minutes fair value gap. We push lower. Oh shucks. Now you can get a push to the upside. But anyway, we push lower. And then when the PM session opened, also remember we have not taken the daily high and the previous daily high. So I looked at my time frame this way. We are above the Asia high, above the we just taken the Asia high. After taking the Asia high, I will expect a reversal move. We've taken the Asia high, way inside the Asia high, so I expected a reversal back to the Asia low because the London high was a very consolidation move. Um, Push back to the upside, went back inside that fair value gap above the Asia. I've taken the Asia high, and we started to see signs of retracement. We saw signs of retracement, and then we waited. Remember when I said that was a break higher, inversion fair value gap with the market structure shift? But I looked at the inversion here. Above here, there is another breaker, three confirmations. Number one, inversion fair value gap. We created a higher high. We broke all the way. We have market structure shift there. We have another market structure shift with inversion. Above here, we have we have a breaker inside the 1 minute fair value gap. There is a breaker. So there was a lot of confirmations for the trade. As with market structure shift, we also broke this low. I waited for a retracement inside the range, waited it to come back, entered stop loss above, and then the move. My full take profit, my targets. So you can go back to the day, you'll see what I was speaking about. My target for the day, this was my first take profit, second take profit, and the last take profit. One is to one, one is to 2.5. I think this is a one is to 4. So this how the trade. So if I was brave enough to wait for a 1 is to 4, that would have been a very good trade, extremely good trade. However, looking at that is Friday, I don't know what's gonna happen. So I took a 1 is to 2. In fact, the 1 is to 2 was here. And the reason being was there is this breaker here, 1 minute breaker. Inside, if you were to look at the 3 minutes fair value gap again, if we were to look inside here, we have taken that. We are inside a 3 minutes breaker here. So that 3 minutes breaker gave a lot of rejection. So that started giving me a bit of doubts there. And then also you look at the 1 minute time frame. Also look at the 1 minute time frame. Come on. You look at the 1 minute time frame. We have a 3 minute break fair value gap with a breaker block here. Just inside here and look at the rejections. We pull up, came back to that, and I spoke about this that you could enter a second trade here, but I was not confident because of what was happening this side. So came back inside as I explained, rejected. We started pulling lower, but because of the amount of rejections here, I decided to take profit on a 1 is to 2. I didn't wait for the 1 is to 2.5. I took profit on a 1 is to 2. So this has been the trade, man. I hope it makes sense. Does it? Does it make sense? Can I get a W and a yes? And a happy Friday, man. Does it make sense on how I took the trade? Does it make sense? Let's see the poll. Still the same. Can I hope it made sense. And you know what we do, man. Let me see. Perhaps I'll get a trade. Let's see what happening. We've taken that low. Possibility of a long trade, Jet. Possibility of a long trade. Let's see. However, brother, see you. Which shift am I working next week? I'm day. Okay, yeah. See you next week. I'm day shift, so I will trade. There is a possibility of getting along. We've taken that low. We have taken that low here. Let me see. Nah, I'm good. But you couldn't get long, man. If this flips, we could get long. If that flips, we're going long. Do. I said on a call it early night. I like when I speak to you guys. If this flips, we are going long, but I'm not gonna attempt that. If you get a flip like that, we are going long. But other than that, man, I love you guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, man. Just know that I love you all. Good Friday. Um, See you once again, man. I know my trader was not so confident about it. I was confident. Whew. It was an A plus setup. Possible I could have added a large bigger position, but I decided to hold myself and just play it safer. And tired, man. But other than that, man, it's one of those days, guys, where you just trade goes well. You just feel like you left a lot of money on the block, and the market gave you a good 100% opportunity, and you realize that it was a proper move. And also you realize that you start need to noting your A plus setup, your B plus setup in this instance. Look at that move I was talking about. If it closes above, you're getting an opportunity to go low. But anyway, what I was saying was, let me mark it properly. What I was saying was, it gives you an A plus setup, and then you decide. I decided on my own that I am not gonna take an A plus setup. I take an A plus setup. Good trade. Very good, extremely good trade. Let me don't downplay the trade. It's an extreme good trade. But because an A plus setup put more risk into it, I'm still gonna build up my confidence in taking A plus setup in terms of risk, not in terms of positioning, but in terms of risk. And I will do that. But for now, a bit disappointed that I didn't add more risk and I left a lot of money on the line by thinking a certain things will reject and went straight to my take profit. That's my disappointment today, but a good trade after all. We learn from that, and sometimes you have to learn from that and move on. And I think I'm in that space where I learned from it. Very good trade, A plus setup, not allowing a full take. Sorry, not allowing 3R, 4 4, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 3. So that's where my problem was. But other than that, I'm happy. And here's another opportunity to go long. Am I gonna take it? I doubt. It's a Friday, man. But do you want me to stay for this trade, or should I call it a day? 1 minute fair value gap, yeah. But yeah, that's my review, man. So be that it may, man. I think that was me. That was me, man. I love you all, guys. Truly appreciate all of you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's get to watch our videos. It's been a very good trade for Friday. I think sometimes it feels great when you close your day off like this. It feels extremely nice closing your day on a very good profit move. It feels very good. So I don't think I want to put more risk. It's a Friday. Break even week for me. Um, Made mistake this week on Tuesday, taking a trade short. Trade went south. Tried to re-enter, but re-enter wrongly again. Trade went south. So that was a huge loss. But with this move, in a nutshell, I recovered, make a few zero point 0.0 something profit. But good on a week when you didn't lose anything. It's good to close the week like that. But other than that, man, you know, guys, that I love you all. I want you to have a great weekend. Look out for there is a video I posted explaining my swing position. Please also go back, man. Support me. Watch the previous videos, like them, comment, tell me what you think on those previous videos. Um, Support me, guys, please. Yesterday, I posted an 8-minute video explaining my swing positions. I know that I'm out of those positions with profit as well. And then let's support, man. Go back and watch those videos. Like, subscribe, man. Join me every day trading the PM session after work. I'm still wearing scrubs to show you that I do a lot. I'm an agent as well. I'm an agent as well. I'm a real estate agent as well. I'm a medical scientist and I trade. I run other businesses that I do on my side. This is me just saying we need to fight, we need to work hard, we need to try work hard and use the time you have effectively and invest well, man. Invest well. That's all I'm gonna say. Invest well. In South Africa, we have a culture called the Vrupa culture. We can stop that and put our money into good use. So I can name people that I know that they're doing well, they started well, and they're doing well in that aspect. But I'm not there for that right now. Right now is to pass my love, my gratitude for the support that you've given me. Let's get to the road to 100,000 to 200 subscribers, man. And share, man. Share the live, share the video, share the lives whenever you love. Share with your friends. Come on, let's join me. We're gonna broaden up our scope. We're gonna do more investments, more buying of ETF stocks, and we'll be good. Mm. We'll be good, ladies and gentlemen. But other than that, have a great day, guys. I love you all. Peace. Bye bye.